Simple dimple, simple dimple, simple dimple. Squish, squish, squish. Simple dimple.
Fidget shopping at Martell's. I found so many good things. Oh, anyone.
I'm at Walmart and I'm going fidget hunting with my dad.
Hi.
So we found some monkey noodles, Orbeez balls, and like this squishy thing, mini brands, splat ball. Guys, they have Neatos! Oh my gosh, look how many. They have this really clear slime. Oh my gosh, more splat balls. Guys, they have ASMR pods. And they have these flying chickens. And they have a ton of slime. More slime. Guys, they have snakes. I'm trying to decide between the black one and the blue one. More slime. They have this squishmallow and then one up there. They have all of these ASMR pods. Oh my gosh. Haul when I get home.
Hey, we got a good thing. Don't know if I'ma see you again, but is that a good thing? Cause girl, I can't be your man. No man, I know what's on your brain. You probably hope it never would end. Like, is it the real thing, or is it just a one-night stand? Well then, let me...
And to Learning Express. We literally had so many poppets. We had to get them all. We also needed to get this giant fidget spinner and the squishy ball. We'll be giving all of these fidget toys away to our followers.
Let's see what kind of fidget toys we can get today. These are so cool.
Going fidget shopping at Five Below. Guys, I found these, and they're like fruits. And this mesh ball. They have a lot of slime like they usually do. The Rubik's Cubes and a lot of like stretchy snakes. Fidget spinners and giant slime ball. And they have these mochi balls, but I already got one of these last time I was here. I only got one thing from Five Below, so now we're going to Hallmark. We just got to Hallmark. There's so many. Might get one of these. Mystery blind bag. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Haul when I get home.
Going fidget hunting.
It's raining. Okay, oh god, it's raining. We're here. Found this. Also have these. Look. Oh my god, they have all these. I'm trying to look for more fidgets. By the way, sorry if you can't hear me, I have a mask on. They have foams. I can't find anything else in here, so we might have to just get all the things I have found. Yeah, see, there's like nothing else here. Finished shopping now. Let's pay out. I only got 3 things, so I'll show you guys what that is. We got this little simple gentle. We got this little simple gentle. We unpackage it. This is it. Then we got this. It's really soft. It's really good. Bye guys, that's it.
Fidget toy shopping at Wonderworks.
have £20 to spend. 5 minutes till we're there. It's across the road. We're here. There's some stress balls. There are a lot of nice containers. I might get one of them. There's a lot of like really cool organizers. That looks so cool. We'll do a haul when we get home, so stay tuned. So where are you We're going fidget toy shopping. We're at Dollar Tree shopping for fidget toys. We're getting balloons for stress balls. We're getting the things. Next door, 5 below. We found squishy mochis. Stay tuned to the next video to see all of the stress balls that we got. We got so much stuff. Stay tuned for the next video to see a haul.
I just wanna let it go for tonight. That would be the best day.
Fidget toy shopping. Okay guys, I'm going to the toy aisle. Okay guys, I'm in here and right away I found monkey noodles, guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm gonna get one of these. Okay guys, so I got a splat ball. I also got a roller ring. Guys, I only got 3 stuff from Walmart, but now we're gonna go to Target to see over there. We're at Target. Okay, I'm in Target and now I'm gonna go find some fidgets. Okay guys, I had bad luck at Target because we didn't find anything. Like, I didn't get anything. So we're probably gonna go to Rite Aid because Rite Aid has some good stuff. So yeah, see you when I'm there. Also, I forgot to say, sorry for saying okay guys. But anyways, I'm at Rite Aid. Guys, so in Rite Aid I found sticky unicorn too. Guys, I found thousands of more, but I don't know yet. Okay guys, so I only found sticky unicorns, so that's it from here. Okay, I'm out of Rite Aid and I'm about to go home, so I'll see you when I'm home to give you a haul. Okay guys, I'm home. These are all of it. Stay tuned for part 2. Let's see what I can find here. Let's see what I can find over here. These are cute. This is cute. Bro. These are all the fidgets. Oh. Stay tuned for the unwrapping.
Let it go, make my body go, make our bodies high.